friends, it's Sarah Elizabeth. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my college apartment. These have to be my favorite types of videos because I personally love decorating and making my space feel very cozy and unique to me in some place that I want to spend time in. I also just love seeing everyone else's setup to give me room inspo and everything like that. So yeah, but this year I'm a junior at Indiana University and I live in the quarters, Bloomington. Me and my roommate are in a 2-person apartment. It's pretty spacious, to be honest. There's a lot of room. It's really nice, great amenities. They have like a pool, workout room. So if you're thinking of moving into the quarters, I highly recommend. But if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I will just get on with the regularly scheduled apartment tour. Come on along and see my apartment. So this video ended up really long, so I'm just doing my room tour in this video, and then I'll do the entire apartment tour in my next video, which will be posted like a few days after, just so it's not like an hour long. So yeah, here's my room. So this is what it looks like right when you walk in. So right over here is my desk area. This is where I do my makeup, go on Zooms, and everything you would do at a desk. So I'll give you a little close-up at that. So in these like mirrored containers is where I keep my makeup. I got them from Target a long time ago and I want more, but they're completely out. But this light does me wonders because you can like move it. I do my makeup with it. I got it from IKEA, highly recommend. And then this gives me a little closer view of when I'm doing my makeup, also from IKEA. This mirror is my absolute favorite. I got it from Goodwill for $10 and it was a little like rusty and everything, so I spray painted it like a better gold and it fits my room aesthetic perfectly. On the other side, I have another one of these. I keep all my perfumes up here. And some mason jars of my makeup brushes. And then I keep like a little jewelry container of all of my everyday jewelry just so it's easy to reach. An Aquarius candle from Madison. Right over here is like my study corner since I do a lot of homework and Zooms here. I have my vision board that I absolutely love. If you want to see how I made it and how I got the inspo for it, I think I have a vision board video up. Keeps me motivated and keeps the goals that I want to achieve fresh in my mind, especially like while I'm doing homework and everything. It's just nice to look up at when I'm on Zoom and don't want to be there. And then right here is like my weekly calendar. I love it because again, it's right by where I do my homework. I didn't fill it out this week because it was a really busy week and I didn't even get around to it, but I usually do it every Sunday. I just plan my week. It's just nice to have a visual of that. And right below that, you've probably seen in previous videos, is just my like junk corner. Like I keep pens and pencils and books and my iPad and everything in this black bin from IKEA. And then I keep my backpack right there. And here's like my gym bag. So just kind of like all this random stuff that I need is right there. Right to the right of that is my closet. It's a pretty good size. I can't complain. I love the doors on it, how they're sliding. Pretty messy. We don't love it in there. I personally love how this corner looks, like just all the pinks right next to my pink sheets. And then my gold bed frame next to my gold mirror. It just is so cute to me. Here's my Himalayan sea salt lamp. We love her. My favorite lamp to exist. This pink candle just goes with the pink vibe. It's champagne toast. It smells so good and springy. And then this jewelry holder I got from an antique store and it's like very iridescent. I just love her and keep my earrings in there. This is from my grandma. It came with this like fake tulip, but then I added more stuff. Like this flower I got from my big last year. And then these 2 pink flowers I got in a bouquet of flowers from my other grandma for my birthday last year. And they just look really cute together. I don't know. So goes with the plant vibe as well. This plant is also from IKEA and it gives it a little green touch, especially next to this plant from Marshall's. And then the top drawer is literally just makeup and moisturizer and everything like that. The second drawer is just like vitamins and makeup palette. I got this nightstand from, again, like an antique shop in a town by my house. They painted it and put these handles on it, so we love that. If you've noticed these bright lights, this is my starlight. Oh my god. And I just project it onto my wall. I'll show it to you at night because it's hard to see right now since it's light out. This is what the starlights look like at night, and then with this remote there's just so many features. This pink one is my favorite because Pink is my favorite color, obviously, but there's like all of these different colors. I will link it down below. I'll put the Amazon link for it. So you guys can get one because I highly recommend, and you can like speed it up so it goes really fast, or you can make it stop, whatever you prefer. There's just so many options. So I highly recommend to go buy one this instant. This is what the LED lights look like at night with the starlights. It's just such a vibe, okay? I'm just engulfed in pink colors. These posters and record covers right next to my bed and desk are just very fitting. I've gotten them over the years. I got this poster from Redbubble during quarantine last year, and like, I don't know, throughout like some thrifting trips, I found these covers and thought they were perfect. Like the Vogue's Memories record cover just like perfectly matches this whole corner thingy. And above it, From Italy with Love, Looking Homeward, pink record cover, and then the Cha 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 record cover, and all together they just look amazing, so I love how that turned out. And moving to the left is a bunch of Vogue vintage magazine covers that I got off of Etsy, and I am obsessed. I also got the gold frames to perfectly match the gold accents in my room, like with the bed frame and mirror. I did not want to spend too much money, so I literally got 8x10 picture frames for $1 from the dollar store and held them up with just like command tape, and I think it looks pretty cute. And then right above it I have the moon mirror. I got that from Five Below a few years ago. So now that we're on my bed area, I got my headboard right there from literally Goodwill for $5. Like, just look how freaking perfect it is. It's the headboard of my dreams. Got it for literally $5. Of course, the Squishmallows. They're a staple part of my whole entire personality. And then the bedspread I got from TJ Maxx like 2 years ago. So there's that. Now moving over to my other nightstand. This is honestly one of my favorite little corners ever because it has my oil diffuser. I use this baby every single day, and I cannot go to sleep unless I'm diffusing like sleep oils. I keep my oils in here. I got this like cute thing from Marshall's. I also like literally keep so many oils in here, and like disposable film and everything, but this is like my oil cabinet thing. I love the calming oil from Nature's Truth mixed with the Woolsey Sleep Blend, and it smells amazing, relaxes me and everything. So yeah, I keep all my oils in here, and then on this one I keep the remote. This is for the Starlight thing, and this remote is for the LED lights behind my desk. And around those pictures I can like change the color or the brightness, and I can make it like flash, and just having it like right here is handy for when I don't feel like getting out of bed to turn them off. And then I keep some essential oil rollers. This is also the perfect place to keep my crystals, so they're close to me when I sleep or if I decide to meditate. And this is just some body oil I put on after I shower. This I spray my sheets with. I got it from Marshall's. Smells amazing, helps you sleep. And then this little container thingy for my remote. Moving on down is where I keep some random books, and then I always have like glasses of water so I can fill my oil diffuser without having to go to the kitchen. And then down there is just like storage for candles and film and everything like that. Right next to it is my Polaroid wall. I love like waking up and just looking at all the fun memories I've made in Polaroids. And above it, some like vintage Life magazine cover I got from Goodwill, again for $1. I'm literally laying on my bed recording this part. Don't judge me. There's just a huge space above my windows because we honestly have really tall ceilings, so I just put my artwork right above my windows. But again, another record cover that I found really cool. It's later in the night and I'm recording this because it was extremely backlit with the sun shining in the windows. But in the middle of both my windows, these like really tiny canvases and drawings and postcards and everything fit perfectly, so it just adds a lot of detail, I think, and I just think it looks pretty freaking cute if you ask me. And here's what's on one of my windowsills. This candle smells amazing. Like, I've got it like 3 years ago and just don't even want to burn it because I just love smelling it. One of my succulents in a heart pot thingy. This candle from Lauren and Delaney. It smells so good. Here's me and my cousin when we were little, and my mom and I at my aunt's wedding. Oh, and then there's the balcony. I'll show you that later. Here's what's on my other window led. Another focus candle. I have this spray bottle for spraying my plants, an aloe that I got from the farmer's market, a candle, and just a fake plant from Marshall's. Right over in this corner is also pretty cute. I just have a record shelf that I made. This actually goes with From Italy with Love, that record poster over there. And I just keep some of the stuff I got while traveling and just random pictures and stickers. I just put a bunch of other records up to the ceiling. These are travel postcards I got, I think from Etsy as well. There was just a pack of 20 of them for like $20, I think. And I just love them. Right below this is where I keep all of my purses. I like having them on display so whenever I need one for an outfit, I can just pick which one goes best with it easily. It kind of looks decorative and they're just easy to access rather than like being in my closet. Right next to that is my dresser where all of my clothes are kept and everything. And on top of it is this little thing. I got this wicker tray thingy from Goodwill for like $3. And I just keep like my lotion, my incense, a plant, sunglasses, all the essentials in here. And again, they're just like easy to get to when I'm getting ready. Some candles, another jewelry tray, a lava lamp, of course it's pink. Ooh, that was pleasing. Okay, get it, I guess. Oh my god, hi, this is my TV. It's really small, to be honest, so I had trouble seeing it a lot of the time. So I put some books under it, which honestly added so much to my dresser area, especially since I have tall things like this candle. Now it doesn't like cover my TV like it did at one point. So that helps a lot. And now my books are on display so I remember to read them. Yeah, I don't know. I could ramble on about everything, but that is the top of my dresser. And then behind it and around it, I have those LED lights. And at night, it looks really cool. Above it, I have these bulb lights like I have around my closet. And again, I got this garlandy stuff from Goodwill around Christmas and just put that on top. Looks way better. And I added a disco ball, just adds the silver vibe. We love a good disco ball. Got that from Five Below. And then here's my mirror. I've been wanting a big mirror forever. I got it for Christmas from Home Goods. Home Goods and Walmart both have so many big, good priced mirrors. Here I just hang my like produce bag so I remember it when I go to the store. And I'm really proud of myself that I thought of this. I always forgot my disposable and I'm trying to bring it literally everywhere with me, so I put a command hook right by my door and now I just like can't even leave my room without seeing it. So highly recommend doing that. Finally, here's this last corner. This is my door that leads to the living room, but I just put 3 stars from the dollar section of Target, and then a little photo area of all my favorite disposables and pictures of friends and family from the past few years. This honestly isn't like my favorite setup. I just wanted a way to like combine my lights, vines, and pictures, and that's the best thing I came up with. But yeah, there's that. And then I put my daily affirmations poster of things I tell myself every morning right by my door, so like when I go to the bathroom or go to brush my teeth when I wake up, I always see that and try to remind myself to say it. And above it I have a calendar so I can always see what is going to be on the plan for the day. That's it for my room tour. Don't forget to stay tuned for my full apartment tour with the kitchen, living room, bathroom, everything like that next week because it would have been too long in this video. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in the next video.